Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing a facial cleansing brush. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this package. We're going to use our handy dandy box cutter. And you can see right here, we have the facial cleanser. This is the pink color. This is the Ultimate Skin Spa. It does come with a blue light and a red light. Blue light for acne, red light to stimulate collagen, reduce wrinkles, increase elasticity. And this right here just tells you what brush is for what. You got the exfoliating brush, a soft brush, silicone brush, a soft sponge, and you've got the other brush for dry skin or oily skin. So most of this works for dry, oily, or combination skin. So down here you can see the soft brushes are the pink ones, the exfoliating are the blue ones. You've got the silicone, the pumice, and the soft sponge. Basically the pumice is the one to use as a callus remover. So for the bottom of your feet you can use this. So let's dive right into the box. And first off, you can see how well packaged this is. So here is your spongy brush. This one here is more like a regular sponge brush. Here is your callus remover. So if you have some stubborn calluses on the back of your feet, you might want to use this one. Although I don't know how it would work because sometimes callus removing is a lot of work. So here is your exfoliating brushes. These are the blue ones. And then you just connect this to the rotating brush. You get another one. So you get two exfoliating. You get two soft brushes, which is the pink ones. Now if you want to get this plastic off, you actually have to put it on the spinning brush to pull it off. Here is the stand. Not sure what this hole is for because the power plug does not fit really in there. And then you get a nice little grips at the bottom. See, it's hard to move around. And then right here is the power cord. You just connect this to a USB port, a plug-in adapter, and this goes right into the back of your brush, actually at the bottom. So here is the cleanser itself. Very nice, lightweight, really good quality, doesn't feel cheap. At the bottom is the plug where you'd put the plug in to charge it. It is covered because this is waterproof. You can see that's where you put your plug in to charge it. So at the top, this is your light. If you want to turn on your light, you will need to hold down the light. To turn it on, you'll need to hold that on. And then you've got different modes. So this is the red for the collagen. You got the blue one for the acne prone skin. You want to turn it off, just hold it down, it will turn off. So now if you want to turn on the modes, you just click the bottom. So if you take this little piece off right here, this is where you'll put your brushes on. Let's go ahead and try putting a brush on right now. Let's try this rubbery one. Just snap it in there like that. So just hold that down. And there it starts it. So you can see it's already rotating. It's actually quite soft. This makes a really good massager for your face if you want to like a little face massage. This actually is the one to use. So if you want to go from daily, deep, daily, and they have gentle. So this is the gentle. Actually, no, this is the deep cleanser. It goes faster. So the farther you go down, the less it spins. For sensitive skin, I would say daily. Alright, let's go take this rubber brush off and let's try the exfoliating one. You just snap this in right here. Pull off the plastic. Even though this is exfoliating, it is very soft. So let's go and turn this on. So this is the gentle. And this is the deep. As you can see, it's very fast, but it's still soft to the touch. There, it's rotating. Just change the modes here. Alright, this is the gentle mode. You can see how it's going slower. It is very soft. I tried this mode. It is actually good when you want to just do a light touch up, just like kind of like a massage, but still get the exfoliation fix. This is a good gentle mode. So now we're going to go ahead and check this out a little bit in depth. Let's pop this off. So we're just going to put this cover back on, just pop it on there like that. It just snaps. And then here's a little stand. You just set it in there like so. So when you're not charging it, you could just set it by your bathroom sink and then just let it sit on the stand. So as I said before, there is no way to put the charger under the stand. So you just open up the bottom, this little plastic right here, put in your charging cable. First off, make sure you get it the right side. I actually put it the wrong side. Okay, line those up. You'll see this little groove right here. And on the bottom of the machine, there's the same groove, so you know what side it goes. Just put it in there. And that will charge it. And with this set, not only do you get all the little extra pieces, it does come with a little carry bag. And of course the instructions, the manual. Basically telling you what brush is for what. How to clean it, how to maintenance it, troubleshooting, charging, on and off switch, changing the modes. And here's a little carry case. So if you're going to go on holiday or whatever, you just take this bad boy with you. So you'll never interrupt your skincare cleansing. Just stick it in there like that. Probably have a room for maybe 1 or 2 little heads. Tighten it up with the strap. And you're good to go. I would definitely recommend this. I've been using this for a while. I personally love it myself. I love the exfoliating. All the brushes are soft. The little neat little stand that it comes with. So if you're interested in this set, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also check me out at Mari'sReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.